Every ritual is a circuit. Energy moves through the body, the mind, and the field, in rhythm, in pattern, in focus. When you light the candle, trace the sigil, speak the words, you are creating a living feedback loop between consciousness and the fabric of reality. Ritual is not superstition, it's an ancient technology, the original neuroscience. Repetition rewires the brain. Each motion, word, or rhythm entrains neural circuits, teaching the nervous system what to expect. Ritual harnesses this power through deliberate repetition. As you focus on the candle's flame or the sound of your own chanting, your brain slips into coherent alpha and theta states, the same frequencies linked with meditation, healing, and creation. These are gateways, states of heightened suggestibility where intention becomes programming. You are literally recoding your own operating system. Every sense is a doorway. The scent of herbs, the warmth of flame, the vibration of a spoken charm. Each element engages a different part of the brain and field. The conscious mind focuses, the subconscious listens, the energy responds. Color, sound, scent, and motion become language, a syntax of unseen that tells energy where to flow. That is why witches and magicians work with ritual tools. They are instruments in the symphony of focus. The wand directs intention. The blade defines boundaries. The cup receives and transmits. The pentacle grounds. Each tool is both symbol and circuit, a way to translate the thought into form. Physics tells us that shape affects field. Ritual magic discovered this long before the language of science. A circle contains and amplifies. A sigil encodes information into geometry. The pattern holds power because it focuses frequency. Incantation is vibration. Every word is a waveform, each syllable a frequency ripple in the quantum field. When spoken with rhythm, emotion, and breath, the voice becomes an oscillator that shapes energy itself. This is why ancient languages were sung, chanted, whispered, because sound bridges intention and manifestation. Breath carries power. Every exhale is an offering, every inhale a drawing in. Through it, you become both transmitter and receiver. The body becomes the antenna. Movement, rhythm, and repetition align your internal energy with the external field. Neurons, hormones, electromagnetic pulses all synchronize with your intention. What begins as symbol becomes signal. What begins as gesture becomes energy transfer. Ritual repatterns both the psyche and the field, aligning them until thought and vibration match. This is manifestation in its purest form, mind, body, and energy resonating in harmony. Every act of ritual is an act of alignment. You are both scientist and sorcerer, experiment and experiencer, observer and creator. When you light the candle, you ignite neurons and stars alike. When you speak intention, you send ripples through the fabric of time. And when you complete the ritual, you close the circuit, returning energy to stillness, ready to begin again. Because magic is not belief, it's the language of energy, and ritual is how we learn to speak it.